welcome to our first ever online assembly at SJBC. We do find ourselves in unusual circumstances at the moment, but like any assembly, I'd like to start by wishing you well, and I hope that you and your families have stayed safe and well over the Easter holidays. Our priority for you over the next term is to make sure that you stay safe and well, that you keep learning and working hard, that you look after one another, and finally that you stay positive and optimistic. We will come through this crisis and hopefully emerge from it stronger and wiser. And over the Easter holidays, some of the governors and staff have been reflecting on some of the positives that have come out of it, and they're going to share those thoughts with you now.
Hello everybody, it's Jane, Chair of Governors. During these strange COVID times, I've thought about the strength of our community, and even though we are apart, we are still one community stronger together. So wishing you all the very best during this strange term, and thank you for all your efforts.
School is back. Shame. No, it's good, because we get to rule you good and proper. Goodbye.
One thing that has really hit home for me in this epidemic is that I need to learn to be grateful for whatever I have and in whatever condition. I've always been told that, no matter how bad things get for you, no matter what situation you find yourself in, there will always be people who are much, much worse off than you. So be grateful for whatever you have. And I think in this epidemic, I've really learned the value of what that means, and I need to value every single day and every single moment that I have.
Ciao a tutti, questo è un video per salutarvi innanzitutto e per dirvi che anche in questo periodo così difficile per tutti noi si possono trovare degli aspetti positivi. Uno di questi è avere accanto la propria famiglia, i propri affetti, avere più tempo da trascorrere con loro. Spero di vedervi presto e arrivederci. Ciao!
During the lockdown, I have been mostly hiding inside my shed.
What I have found most inspiring about the last few challenging weeks of self-isolation is the genuine thoughtfulness and acts of kindness that some people have demonstrated across society.
Over the last few weeks, our family has grown strong and solid. We found new ways of working together. We found new ways of playing together. We found new ways of just having great humour. We also value the work of the frontline staff, the nurses. We appreciate the doctors, the key workers. We're all working together for the common good. We can beat this virus. We need to do what we're doing, stay at home, stay safe, and just be happy.
Something I've enjoyed in the last couple of weeks is actually spending time with the people that I've got at home and spending more time doing things with them, and the affection and the humour that comes with that, and enjoying the human-to-human bonds that we can get with the people that we live with, rather than just doing the working and going to and from work. You get more time to spend with them, and I really appreciate that.
It's been really nice to see everybody respecting one another and keeping social distance. It really makes you realise how many people show affection to one another who don't even know each other.
So a silver lining for me during this period is that it's given me an opportunity to read more books, which helps me to learn and develop myself and gain a better understanding of the world and people.
During this pandemic, I have been touched by the dedication, commitment, and courage of our key workers, and I think they deserve our deepest gratitude and respect. Thank you to all healthcare professionals wherever you may be. Their service to patients is saving countless lives and making thousands of differences. Thank you to them one more time. Massive respect.
Hi. The lockdown has been a different experience for all of us. I think RUA has helped me to understand my people in the community, living in the community, able to pray, able to cook for them, and also to be present in the community. I think that's been good for all of us to live as our families, with our community. And prayed for you. God bless you. Thank you.
I think since being confined to staying at home, I've come to appreciate and respect the number of opportunities that we had before, whether that was coming to school and being around colleagues and pupils, or taking opportunities to meet friends and generally just spend time in other people's company. And that's something moving forwards I've definitely come to respect a lot more.
The last 3 weeks has really helped me appreciate the love and affection shown within our community, with lots of people offering to help get us things when we've needed them for Oscar.
I've experienced so much of solidarity in the world, in action, and in our school. In this tough time, people are more than ever kind and affectionate. I would like to teach my Yale pupils with the same thing.
Hi, it's Mrs. Albert here, and I'm just saying hello to you all, and I'd just like to say also that I do appreciate the NHS and all the work they're doing, so a big thank you to them, and everyone just stay safe. See you soon.
Good morning. Just wanted to say I'm so proud of you with regards to the respect that you have shown to the school, to St. John Bosco College, during these hard times with COVID-19, and respecting the fact that the NHS has asked everybody to isolate. And I know how hard it is for all of you not to be able to see your friends, and the affection that you're having towards your friends and your family during this time, and taking care of everybody and making sure that you all keep well and safe. Look forward to seeing you soon, and until then, everybody, take care of yourselves. Thank you.
Okay. There are two things that I have found extremely positive in this whole COVID-19 situation. One is the way that staff has gone the extra mile and are prepared to come in and do whatever it takes for the children. And the other is also the pleasure that I have taken personally in cooking for the kids and seeing them eat, especially when they come for seconds.
I now have even more respect and appreciation for the constant that nature provides. With our daily routines in disarray and distressing stories on every news bulletin, spring arrives on cue with beautiful sunshine, flowers and birdsong to lift our spirits. Thank you, nature.
Something positive to come out of these difficult times, I think, is that people are realising how important affection is in their lives. Obviously, we're spending more time with people in our homes, but that we're unable to go and see extended family members and friends who we would have taken for granted a couple of months ago. Something else I think that's really important is that I certainly have more of respect and understanding for people and the different roles they play in our society, be it that something that we take for granted. My sister especially, have a lot more respect for her. She's working in one of our coronavirus hospitals treating COVID patients at the minute. So I think that's what I've learned over this time.
Over the last few weeks, this time has been a great opportunity to have a newfound respect and understanding for the people that we share a home with. I've made new friends with the people that live close by, the neighbours and people on my road, and loving the time when we can come together back to the NHS on a Thursday, and found new ways to humour myself and enjoy family.
One positive to emerge from this crisis has been the public celebration of key workers whose work is often overlooked. Hopefully in the future this newly strengthened respect for their work will continue.
Hello everyone.
Especially year 12.
During the lockdown, me and Miss Bennett have enjoyed
Spending so much time with each other at school.
I hope you're all well and we can't wait to see you.
Bye. Don't forget your study plan.
The unfortunate COVID-19 outbreak has given me a greater understanding and tremendous insight into some of the everyday struggles some of our students have to unfortunately endure. I'm very fortunate and very privileged to be part of a school who's provided endless support and guidance to all of our students. I'm very proud to be part of a school who holds the well-being of every single student at its absolute core. I look forward to continuously supporting this wonderful community, and I look forward to seeing you all soon. Take care. God bless. Bye.
One positive that I can take from the coronavirus lockdown is understanding how to actually entertain myself and keep busy when there's not actually much to do, and actually taking a lot of the positives out of small things in life.
Hi all, just a couple of positive things that I've been doing during my lockdown. The first, I've started to paint and draw again in my free time. Haven't done that since university, and it's given me a much greater respect and appreciation for all the talented SJBC students and staff. And the other, I've started to read a lot more about religion and God, and that's given me a deeper connection and deeper understanding of religion and connection to God.
Hi everyone, Mr. Riley here. A couple of my key takeaways from this lockdown would be a renewed respect for nature. Very lucky to live very close to Battersea Park, so in there with my family every day for at least an hour. It's just really good respite from being in a house all day. So very lucky to have that. Also, I would say fantastic to stay at home with my kids all day, every day. Two lovely little kids, but it gave me a renewed understanding of what it's like to be a stay-at-home parent and how tough that can be.
Our current situation has made me appreciate more and understand more all the roles that everybody in society has to play, regardless of their status in life. It's everybody that keeps the community going, and without all the cogs in the wheel, we won't be able to function on a daily basis. And for that, I'm very, very grateful. I've also found a new love, which I'm grateful for. Actually cooking. I don't normally cook, and I think my mum is appreciating the cooking that I'm doing for her.
I realise the importance of community and how small gestures of kindness and affection from family, friends, neighbours and even strangers can have such an amazing impact.
One positive of the lockdown would be that more people are using this time as an opportunity to share messages of affection and humour with their friends and family that they don't contact so much.
Welcome back everyone to the start of a new term. One thing that the COVID lockdown has made me understand is how each person is important. Every one of us has a responsibility in terms of keeping safe, but actually in terms of also making a contribution and creating a community and a society together. Communities aren't made of thin air, they're made by people who individually do things, contribute, take part, and want to make a difference.
Hello! Oh, hi. Definitely over this very strange period of time, I think our levels of appreciation of humour have definitely improved. There you go, Neve. Okay. So, yeah. Thanks. Bye.
I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope that's given you lots to think about. And maybe you can share some of your positive thoughts as well with your teachers on Teams. Now we're going to finish our assembly, as we always do, with a prayer. So I'd just like you, in the comfort of your own home or wherever you're watching this, just to quietly sit and perhaps join in as we say the Our Father together. In the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Mary, help of Christians,
pray for us.
Saint John Bosco,
Pray for us.